Hey everyone, so today we're gonna make a fairly common hobby project which you can demonstrate at your college as a mini project or a basic elementary level project, and which is a water level indicator. So as you can see, this project is you might be knowing already. It's fairly simple and straightforward without much complications. So let's get started. So here you can see the circuit of the water level indicator. Basically our water level indicator is gonna indicate three levels, which is high, mid and low. So in order to indicate three levels you need three transistors. So if you want to indicate more levels, suppose 5 levels, so you'll need that many transistors. As simple as that. And then you need one common electrode which goes right to the bottom of the tank. So I'll quickly explain the working of this circuit so that later we can check the actual demonstration. So what we do, that you might be already knowing this, that in order to light a LED to transistor, we place it in the collector arm. So what I have done is I have put three LEDs in the collector arm, and these are the current limiting resistors of the LEDs, and we are using a common emitter configuration. And I have connected the base with 1 kilo ohm resistors, and so which limits the base currents. So now we'll check the working. So basically how this works is like it's fairly simple. You have this common terminal which is connected to the 9-volt battery, and it goes directly to the bottom of the tank, and then at respective levels you put the respective electrodes of the three transistors which are connected to the base. So how this works is that when the water is at the top level, so what happens now, the transistors, all the three transistors would get the base current through water. Why? Because this water has ions, and the water conducts electricity because of these ions. So you can see how the base current path is for this transistor. So from there the current comes, goes into the water, and from here goes to this electrode, also goes to this electrode, and also go to this electrode. So these three transistors are getting the base current, and hence now the collector current will flow, and all the three LEDs would glow. Correct? Now let us check the working when the water level drops. Suppose now I'll reduce the water level. Suppose now the water level is here. Now again the same principle applies. The base current will flow through this electrode and this electrode because they are in contact with each other through water, but this electrode is in air, so there is no chance for current to flow through this electrode. So what will happen, only these two LEDs will glow, this one, and this won't glow. So what this will indicate is that you are in somewhere, you have crossed the high level, and that is why this LED is not glowing, and you are in somewhere between high and mid level, so only two LEDs are glowing. I hope you understood this, which is very easy to understand, not so complicated. Similar logic you can apply when the water goes below the mid level. In that case only this LED will glow, the third LED, because only this and these two electrodes are in contact. So here these two electrodes would be floating in air, so there won't be any base current, and these two LEDs won't be lit. As simple as that. And same logic applies when the water crosses the low level, no LED will glow. So I hope you understand this simple logic, and now we'll check the demonstration of this circuit, the actual demonstration, the experiment. Okay. So friends, I have made this setup for a demonstration purpose, and now let us check this working. this is the tank. Now you can see there are low, middle and high levels written in the tank, and these are those three electrodes for low, middle and high, and the fourth electrode, as you can see, goes to the bottom of the tank. I don't know if you're able to see clearly. Maybe I'll zoom in. Yeah. So now let us check the working by filling the water in the tank and how the LED glows. So I'm filling water now. So as I pour the water, you can see now the low LED has glown, since the water level has now crossed the low level. And as I go on filling, the other two LEDs will also glow. So let us check it here. See, now I haven't reached the mid level yet. So see, now we have reached the mid level and the middle LED has also started glowing. And now we'll fill the water up to the brim. Yeah, now see, since the tank has reached the high level, the high LED has also started glowing. So now let us check by removing some water from the tank whether we are able to unlit the LED. Now I am removing some water from the tank. Yeah, now see, as we have crossed the high level now, and thus the high LED has stopped glowing, so you can indicate that the water level is somewhere between high and middle right now, since only two LEDs are glowing. Also, you can see, if you see closely, you will see electrolysis of water taking place. Since we are passing electric current through water, the electrolysis is taking place. This you can observe when you perform this experiment. Since I won't be able to show you clearly, well, let me check if I can show you the bubbles which are coming. No, unfortunately my camera is not that great to show you the bubbles, but well, you can check it at home when you perform this experiment. And then again, yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries, then you can write a comment below, or maybe you can email me the query. Also, I have put the link in description for buying the water level indicator. So maybe if you want to buy the water level indicator, you can buy that from link, or maybe you can contact me for that. Thank you.